Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to use YOLO 11 custom detection model, and we will detect the no helmet class. Also, if there is no helmet class, so we will save detected motorcycle number plate as an image. Also we will use the OCR method and we will save the text of the number plate inside Excel workbook. So before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and let's get started. So friends, as I mentioned, today we will use YOLO 11 custom object detection model, and then we will detect no helmet class. Also we will detect a number plate, and then we will crop the image and we will save the text of number plate inside Excel workbook. So for that I have created a new repository, no helmet number plate. I will mention the link, and inside that repository I have created the custom object detection model. So I have shared that model also, which detect no helmet, helmet and number plate class. So go to the code, click on download zip. I will mention the link, simple, and it will download our zip format folder. So we downloaded our folder. Minimize all these things, open the repository, downloads, and this is what our folder. Right click and extract all, click on extract, it will extract our folder. Now go inside folder, again same folder. First let's just download our video file. So inside vid.txt I have mentioned the video file link, which is the mega cloud link. Open the new tab, press Ctrl+V, hit enter, and it will download our video file. So let's just first open the video link. This is what our video file. Click on download and it will download our video file. So friends, we downloaded our video file. Close mega cloud link and go to the downloads and final. This is what our video file link. Cut no helmet number plate main, our repository, and just paste it. Done. So let's just first watch our video file, and then I will explain whole concept, what basically we will do for this project. So here it is. As you can see friends, this is basically CCTV video footage at the night, and we have here, as I mentioned, the model which I have created only detect motorcycle number plate, no helmet or helmet class. So we have only three class basically: helmet, no helmet and the number plate. So here we clearly see that this person is wear the helmet, he is riding on the bike, and it means there is no need to save helmet class, because this is not basically traffic violation. So we will not save image, or we will not save number plate text if the helmet class is detected, means there is a helmet, so it's okay. So let's just go for next video. Here as you can see, I am just keeping the video file, and then here we have at the end, I think we have here a no helmet rider. So here it is, as you can see, this one bike rider. So we clearly see there is no helmet, and now we want to mention this person is not wearing helmet. So what we will do for that, we have our model, so we will detect the no helmet class. Also, if there is no helmet class, means this is the condition, if there is no helmet class, we will crop the image, because our model will detect the number plate. So it will crop the image, and with the help of pedal OCR, we will save detected cropped image text inside Excel workbook. So this is basically whole method for project. If there is helmet class, we will not save the image, we will not save the text of the detected number plate. If there is no helmet class, then only we will crop the number plate image, and we will use basically OCR method, and we will read the text from the image, and then we will save the number plate text image, not image, basically we will save the number plate text inside Excel workbook. Simple. So this is basically whole concept. Now let me start the code. So main.py, this is what our code. I have mentioned the full code. So now for that, first we want to install the packages. So go to the tools, manage packages, and then search for OpenCV-Python, hit enter. First package, click on install button, done, it will install OpenCV-Python. Then Ultralytics, hit enter. First package, click on install button, done, it will install Ultralytics. Then we need a CV zone package, CV zone. First package, click on install button, done, it will install CV zone. Then we need pedal OCR. So for pedal OCR, first package is basically pedal. So pedal, let me make like this way. So pedal and again pedal. So first package, pedal. Search on PyPy, first package, click on install button, done, it will install pedal. Then we need pedal OCR, hit enter. Again first package, select it, click on install button, done, it will install pedal OCR. And for saving the entries inside Excel, we need Excel wings. So Excel wings, hit enter. First package, click on install button, done, it will install Excel wings on our Windows 11 machine. So we need OpenCV-Python, then we need Ultralytics, then we need CV zone. For pedal OCR, first package pedal, then the next package pedal OCR, and then the Excel wings for Excel workbook. Done. Then simply import the packages which I have already imported. Then the OCR is just a variable. OCR is equal to this pedal OCR, simple. And then we will create the perform OCR function. Means we want the text, detected image text, means here we have number plate, so we need a number plate text. So for that we will use a perform OCR function. So this function is basically pedal OCR. So perform OCR, inside that of course we will pass the image. As I explained, when there is no helmet class, we will crop the image, we will save the image inside folder, and with the help of this perform OCR function, we will basically send detected number plate image inside this perform OCR function, and this perform OCR function will return our text, return our number plate as a text. That's it. So perform OCR, and object is basically image. Images means the crop number plate image. Done. Then we have mouse event function, cv2.event mouse move function. So I have explained this function in previous video where we use cv2.event mouse move function and we mention our ROI. So here also we will mention the region of interest area. If the number plate or if the no helmet class detected in our mentioning area, then only we will save the crop image, then only we will save the number plate text inside our Excel. Otherwise we will not do anything. So for that we will mention the area. So mentioning area, we need our frame points. So for frame points we need cv2.event mouse move function. Done. So with the help of this function we will get XY coordinates. We mention the XY coordinate as our area. Done. So model is equal to YOLO, our custom model, which is best.pt. Then names is equal to model.names. This is the basic method, and this is the area. As I mentioned, area is basically our region of interest area. So this is the points for drawing the polyline. So how do we mention our area? We mention the area points, and with the help of cv2.polylines we draw the area. We use these points inside cv2.polylines here. At the end, as you can see, cv2.polylines method, we will draw the polylines on the frame, np.array, and the area. So this area is basically our points. We have here points, these points, simple. So for that we mention here a area, then we will create a directory, we will create a folder. So this folder is basically current date folder, and inside that folder we will save all the images including with the Excel file. That's it. So we will create the folder first, and then it will check inside that folder, it will create the Excel file which is .xlsx format. Simple, it will create the Excel file, and inside that file we have number plate and date and time column. So number plate is basically detected number plate text, This is the current date and this is the current time when we detect the number plate and the date. Simple. And then proceed track IDs, I will come later for proceed track IDs. Let's just first start our code, and this is the basic method. Simple. This is the basic method which I have explained in several previous video. We use here Ultralytics object detection method, friends. So with the help of that method we will get the boxes, the class IDs, track IDs and confidences, and then it is now really easy to draw the bounding box on detected objects. So here it is, as you can see, I have used the for loop. So this for loop is basically the box, class ID, track ID, conf is in zip, boxes, class IDs, track IDs and confidences. Simple. And then we have the C. So C is basically this class ID. Class ID is basically detected object number. Means let's just say if we detect 0, so let's just say 0 is basically for helmet, or 1 is basically for no helmet, or 2 is basically for number plate. So this is the class ID, is basically the detected object number, and then we will use this number as a names. So we will pass the class ID in names, so it will automatically match the number and the name. Simple. Names and number. So these names is basically the class name. So names is basically the class name. So if we let's just say if we detect a 1, so if 1 is basically the number plate, so we detected number plate. So this names and the class ID. Simple. So this C is now detected object class name. So x1, y1, x2, y2 is basically the box, detected object rectangle, and then cx and cy is detected object center point. Simple. And then now from this I will explain. Let's just first start our code, then you will get the idea. So let me mention here a 0. We will stop our while loop. If I save the code, if I run the code, now it will, when we start the code, it will create the Excel file automatically. It will create the column which we mention here. The column name is basically, here it is, as you can see, it's creating the file, Excel file, and it's creating the number plate column, date column and time column. But right now there is nothing, because we not detected any class. Means any class means we not detected no helmet class, because we will only save if the no helmet class is detected. If there is helmet class detected, now there is no need to mention the number plate, because if the helmet is there, there is no violation. But if there is no helmet there, then of course there is a traffic rule violation. So simple. Now we started our frame, and when we start the code, first it will create the file, Excel file. As you can see, it's creating the file. We have number plate, date and time. Now as I mentioned, friends, we want to mention region of interest area. So inside the code, here, this is what my area. This is what my area. As I mentioned, if you don't know, watch my previous video where I have explained full detailed way how to draw a region of interest area. So same method I have used here. This is what my area, and with the help of CV2.polylines, I have draw here area. So this is what my ROI, region of interest area. If only in this particular area, if I have detected no helmet or number plate class, then only I will do object detection. Otherwise there is no need to detect object detection. Simple. So this is what my first condition. I only want to detect object inside this area. So for that we have here CV2.pointPolygon_test method. So with the help of CV2.pointPolygon_test method, we will use the area. So this is what my area, and detected object center point. So if in this particular area, if we detect no helmet class, then we will go for further code. Simple. So result is equal to CV2.pointPolygon_test method. This is the area. So this area is basically here. CV2.polylines, this is my area. So just copy as it is and mention over here. Here it is, as you can see, I have mentioned, and then detected object center point is basically CX and CY. So I have mentioned CX and CY. Now if the result if it is greater than or is equal to 0, for CV2.pointPolygon test method, which I have explained in previous video. So if the result is greater than or is equal to 0, then only we will say, if again if this C is basically the class name. So if C is equal to no helmet, means if we detect no helmet class in this area also, then no helmet detected is equal to true. So first here it is, as you can see, before detection we mention no helmet detected false. Now we detect object. Now we want to simply say, if we not, let's just say if we not mention here a false, so what will happen, it will detect helmet in outside area also. It will detect the helmet outside area also, but it will detect helmet, no problem, but it will not save all the information here if the class is not inside our area. For that, if the no helmet is detected, then we will activate no helmet detected. So here it is, as you can see, true. Mark that the no helmet is detected, but first we mention here a false. No helmet detected, false, and then inside a CV2.pointPolygon test method, means inside our area, we again mention no helmet detected is equal to true. I hope you all clear. And then the next class is basically elif C is equal to number plate. Means there is two condition. If there is no helmet, again it will check if there is number plate. Simple. And then number plate box. The number plate box means detected number plate box means the rectangle coordinate x1, y1, x2 and y2 is equal to box. So number plate box is equal to box. Store the number plate bounding box. And the number plate track ID is equal to track ID. Store the track ID for number plate. Why we are saving all these things? Because we don't want to count same number plate, or we can say same track ID again and again. For that, we will save the ID, we will save the boxes, number plate boxes, and then we will match the track ID. So after that, I have created the condition. Here it is, as you can see, I have clearly mentioned, if both no helmet and number plate are detected and the track ID is not already proceed. If the track ID if already not proceed, then we will go for x1, y1, x2, y2 is equal to the number plate box. And then we will crop the frame, then we will resize the crop, and then on the crop image, as you can see, the text is equal to our perform OCR function. We will perform the OCR function on detected crop image, and then we will print the text and then save the crop image with current time as a file name. Means when we save the image, detected number plate image, we will mention the name for that image is basically the number plate image and the current time, and then we will save the data inside our Excel file. Simple. And then after that, we will show the image, we will show the frame, and then here at the end we will save the file. So whole concept is what? This is what my area. If in this area we detect no helmet with number plate, we will save the image, we will read the text with the help of OCR function. That's it. This is what whole code. It is really easy. Now we already started the code, that's why there is a column and there is a Excel sheet. Now we will start the while loop. So let me save the code, and again I will mention here 1, so it will start our while loop. So we have started our while loop. Simple. Here it is, as you can see, for this bike rider there is no helmet class along with the number plate. So of course for this person we save the bike rider, means we save not bike rider, basically we save the motorcycle number plate image, also the text inside Excel sheet. So if you open the file, here it is, as you can see, the number plate text, the current date, and the current time is there also, current time. Simple. So as I mentioned friends, we are saving If there is no helmet, we are saving the motorcycle number plate, image also the text of the number plate with the help of OCR function. So friends, as you can see, again we have the next bike rider with no helmet. So of course we have now two no helmet bike riders. So of course we have two number plate. So done. Now if you open our repository, inside that, as you can see, it's created the current date folder. We have our Excel sheet, also we have number plate. So this number plate is basically, as I mentioned, the current time with the text. So if I open, let me close all these things, and we will open our Excel file. So this is what my Excel file, and inside that we have two number plates. So let's just match the text with the image. So we have here image also, like this way. So if I open the image, so we will match. So this is what our image, as you can see, KL, then 0707, BU, then 5S01, as you can see. So this is what my second number plate, and this is what our first number plate, KL 3838 E5 196, as you can see. So we are saving the number plate as an image, also as a text, using OCR method if there is no helmet class in our mentioning area. Simple. I hope you learned something from this video. I have mentioned the full code. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.